In this video, we are going to use the transform tool to take this barcode and apply it onto this deodorant stick. So first of all, if you go to the barcode file, right-click onto the layer and then select duplicate layer, and then we can pass this to the other file. So deodorant stick, click OK. If you go to the other file, you can see that we now have the barcode inside of it. So if we zoom in, first of all, what I would like to try is to resize this barcode so it fills up a little bit more of this white space. Now we could press Command T and then press and hold the Shift key and just drag the whole thing up like this. But as you can see, this also transforms the letters, which I don't want. So if I cancel this and then use the marquee tool like this to select the upper part of the barcode, another important thing is that the barcode layer is selected. Then I can press Command T to transform, again hold the Shift key, and then just drag up the upper portion of the barcode like this, and then double click. Then I'm going to press Command D to deselect, and then Command T again. And then I'm going to right click and use the warp method. And under warp method, I'm going to use the cylinder like this. Then I'm going to resize the barcode to fit to match the width of the deodorant stick. And notice that I left some white space on the sides to allow for this wrapping. So now if I move this up a bit, like this, I can zoom in a little bit more. Like this, and then match the curvature of the stick. And then there's another handlebar in the middle, which allows me to control how much I want to stretch this label around the cylinder. So I think this would look good. Then I can hit enter and then change the blending mode to darken like this.